Welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to integrate Klarna on WooCommerce checkout. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So for this, you need to simply open your web browser on your laptop or computer and then go for Klarna payment for WooCommerce login. So you can get this thing as a plugin on your Google Chrome or any web browser, and you need to simply download it and simply activate it. Next, you'll need to configure the plugin settings by navigating to WooCommerce and tapping on Payments. After tapping on Payments, select Klarna and paste your API username and password for your Klarna Business account. Finally, you need to enable your Klarna on your checkout page and configure display options like on-site messaging and express checkout to enhance the customer experience. So this is how you can integrate Klarna on WooCommerce checkout. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.